Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the simplest controls so you don't chase ghosts. Open Settings and go to Keyboard Controls. Make sure F is assigned to the action you expect. If it's blank or duplicated, reassign it to F now. Once done, save changes and test in Creative or a lobby to confirm input registers. This rules out game-side binding conflicts before deeper fixes. If it works, you're done. If not, move to the next technical checks. Now you eliminate external interference that steals the F key. Close overlays and macro apps, these often intercept keystrokes. Disable Discord, GeForce, or Steam overlays and quit any macro utilities. Then check Windows, ensure the correct language layout is active and sticky keys is off. Update or reinstall your keyboard driver if needed. Device drivers can corrupt key mapping. Once applied, reboot and test the F input in-game. These steps handle most software-caused failures. Finish by isolating hardware faults and applying last resort fixes. If F still fails, gently remove the keycap and clean debris. With mechanical keyboards, test the switch. Try a different keyboard or the Windows on-screen keyboard to confirm whether the issue is physical. If hardware is fine, reset Fortnite settings to defaults, and only if needed, reinstall the game to clear corrupted bindings. If problems persist after these steps, contact hardware support. They can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.